What is contract administrator in construction? First of all, let's look at what constitutes a contract in the construction sector. In general, contract administrator in construction is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties. In construction, this usually means between the main contractor and the subcontractor. A construction contract can also be between many other parties, including the client and the main contractor, between a supplier and the contractor, or between a supplier and a subcontractor. Normally, at the start of a construction project, the contract administrator will read through the contract to make sure they understand exactly what is required. An experienced contract administrator is able to identify the advantages and disadvantages of the contract based on the scope of work it relates to. Prior to the execution of the contract between the parties, the contract administrator's role would be to review the contract and negotiate the most favorable terms possible for the parties they represent. Virtually all construction contracts require negotiation because of the risk profile each clause is likely to carry. The contract sets out the agreement between the parties. The clauses within the contract describe the agreement in detail to ensure that all parties are well aware of exactly what is expected of each of them at the various stages throughout the project. For example, the contract may include a clause requiring a party to provide evidence of insurance documentation in order to access the site, stipulating that he must be done before any work can start. These clauses comprise the set of rules the parties must adhere to if the contract is to run smoothly.